Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt and it's the Matariki time of year, so this is a good time to have a look at our pronunciation of the Matariki stars. The 7 that we're pretty familiar with and the 2 new ones. You can find out all about that if you Google 9 stars of Matariki. So we've got to remember that if there's a macron, the pronunciation of that word has emphasis where the macron is, so that syllable is the most emphasized part of the word. For example, with YT, the T is the part that we're focusing on there because it's got a macron, so that's going to be more pronounced. YT, and then for YTA, that's got a macron as well. So YT and YTA, we're putting more emphasis on that syllable. Waipuna a rangi. So if you put the break after every vowel, waipuna, then we've got a rangi. So the emphasis is on a, waipuna a rangi. Same with tupu a nuku and tupu a rangi. So there's an emphasis there. Ururangi doesn't have any macrons, so we would put the emphasis on the first syllable, the u. Ururangi. Ururangi. Remembering to roll our r. And the 2 new ones, pō hutukawa, pō hutukawa, so the pō has the emphasis, and no macrons on the other one. This one is hiwa I te rangi, and of course Matariki. So those are the pronunciations for those 9 stars. When you sing them in a song, sometimes the emphasis will be a little different, but if you're speaking them and not singing them, that's the emphasis and that's where it goes. And that's how to pronounce them. Ka kite.